Hey there! Traveling with diabetes can be a breeze if you follow a few simple hacks. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a month-long adventure, I've got you covered with tips to stay healthy on the go. Let's dive right in. First up, packing is key. Always bring more supplies than you think you'll need. Extra insulin, syringes, test strips, and batteries for your glucose meter. Don't forget to pack snacks like nuts, granola bars, and glucose tablets in case of low blood sugar. And keep everything in your carry-on. You don't want to risk losing your essentials if your checked luggage goes missing. Now let's talk about timing. Crossing time zones can mess with your medication schedule. So, adjust your insulin and medications gradually. Talk to your doctor about how to do this safely. And always keep a set of your prescriptions with you, just in case. Hydration is super important. Flying can dehydrate you, which can affect your blood sugar levels. So, drink plenty of water. And avoid sugary drinks that can cause spikes. Eating out while traveling can be tricky. Research restaurants ahead of time and check their menus online. Look for places that offer healthy, balanced meals. And don't be afraid to ask for nutritional information or make special requests. Also, eat smaller, more frequent meals to keep your blood sugar stable. Exercise is another great way to manage your diabetes while traveling. Whether it's a walk around the city, a hike in the mountains, or just stretching in your hotel room, staying active helps keep your blood sugar in check. Plus, it's a great way to explore new places. Keep a travel journal. Write down what you eat, your activity levels, and your blood sugar readings. This can help you spot patterns and make adjustments as needed. Don't forget about medical IDs. Wear a medical alert bracelet that states you have diabetes. This can be a lifesaver in an emergency. Finally, have a plan for emergencies. Know where the nearest hospitals or clinics are. And make sure your travel companions know what to do if you have a severe hypo or hyperglycemic episode. So there you have it. With a little planning and these handy tips, you can manage your diabetes and enjoy your travels. Safe travels and happy adventures. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips on living your best life with diabetes. See you next time.